If you're over 60, that glass of plain water you're drinking right now might be doing almost nothing to stop the silent muscle thief stealing your strength every single day. While you're faithfully drinking your 6 to 8 glasses daily, sarcopenia, age-related muscle wasting, is quietly robbing you of the power to climb stairs, carry groceries, or even stand up from a chair without struggle. Here's what's shocking. Every single day, millions of seniors lose precious muscle fibers that could mean the difference between walking confidently or needing assistance. That innocent glass of water flowing through your body is a missed opportunity, a chance to deliver muscle-rebuilding nutrients directly where they're needed most. But what if just one of those daily glasses could be transformed? What if instead of plain H2O, it carried scientifically proven compounds that rebuild muscle fibers, restore balance, and cut fracture risk nearly in half? The difference between a sip that maintains decline and a sip that reverses aging could be the gap between independence and dependence. Today, we're revealing 8 powerful additions you can stir into your water, from everyday powders to ancient plant extracts that science shows can turn a simple glass into a muscle-saving weapon. These aren't expensive supplements or complicated protocols. They're simple additions backed by real research that the trillion-dollar supplement industry hopes you'll never discover. All the studies I mentioned are listed below with links. So don't just take my word for it. See the evidence for yourself. Drop your age in the comments and tell me. Have you noticed any muscle weakness or balance issues lately? I read every comment and often share additional muscle preservation tips. Now, without further ado, let's start with number 8. Component number 8. Beetroot powder, the ultimate circulation enhancer. Starting our countdown, beetroot powder addresses the fundamental problem underlying most senior muscle weakness: poor circulation that fails to deliver adequate oxygen and nutrients to working muscles. This isn't just about having strong muscles. It's about having muscles that can actually function at their potential. Rich in dietary nitrates, beetroot powder boosts nitric oxide production in your body, naturally relaxing blood vessels and dramatically improving circulation. The result is stronger oxygen delivery, faster nutrient absorption, and muscles that repair themselves instead of steadily wasting away. A landmark 2015 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults drinking beetroot juice before exercise increased muscle power by nearly 16%, a dramatic improvement for anyone struggling with sarcopenia. This isn't about becoming an athlete. It's about having the strength to climb stairs, carry groceries, and maintain independence. What sets beetroot powder apart is its dual action. The immediate circulation boost helps with daily activities, while the long-term antioxidant protection preserves muscle function over time. Beetroot contains betalains, powerful antioxidants that calm inflammation and protect mitochondria, the energy factories inside muscle cells that shrink with age. Optimal usage. Mix 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder into 6 to 8 ounces of water. Consume 30 to 60 minutes before physical activity or your main meal. The mild, earthy taste is easily enhanced with lemon. Component number 7. Chia seeds, the slow-release muscle fuel. At number 7, chia seeds represent one of nature's most complete muscle preservation packages that many dismiss as trendy health food. Just 2 tablespoons soaked in water create a gel-like drink that delivers complete plant-based protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals. Research published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that seniors who regularly consumed chia experienced improved lean muscle mass and reduced inflammatory markers, 2 crucial factors in preventing sarcopenia. The secret lies in their unique nutrient profile and slow-release properties. Each tiny seed contains alpha-linolenic acid, ELA, which improves blood flow to working muscles, ensuring better nutrient delivery and waste removal. The calcium content supports proper muscle contraction, while the complete amino acid profile provides steady fuel for muscle repair and maintenance. Unlike fast-absorbing proteins that can spike and crash, chia's amino acids are released slowly, providing consistent fuel that reduces nighttime muscle breakdown, when most age-related muscle loss occurs. The soluble fiber also supports gut health, helping your body absorb more of the nutrients needed for strength maintenance. Preparation. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in 8 ounces of water for at least 30 minutes. Overnight is even better. The seeds will expand and create a gel-like consistency. Add lemon or a small amount of natural sweetener if desired. Component number 6. Spirulina powder. The complete protein powerhouse, taking the 6th position. Spirulina powder represents one of nature's most concentrated weapons against age-related muscle loss. This dark green powder might look unappealing, but it contains over 60% complete plant protein, providing all essential amino acids needed to repair and rebuild weakening muscle fibers. What makes spirulina extraordinary for seniors is its combination of high-quality protein with crucial supporting nutrients. It's rich in iron for oxygen delivery, magnesium for energy production, and B vitamins for cellular repair and recovery. A 2016 study in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found older adults supplementing with spirulina experienced higher muscle strength and endurance within just 8 weeks. Spirulina offers something unique compared to traditional protein supplements. It's incredibly easy to digest and light on the stomach. Many seniors struggle with protein powders that cause bloating or digestive discomfort, but spirulina is naturally gentle while being more nutrient-dense than most alternatives. The secret weapon in spirulina is phycocyanin, a rare antioxidant pigment that specifically lowers inflammation and oxidative stress in muscle tissue. Think of it as giving your muscle cells a deep cleaning so they can function like they did decades earlier. Usage. Start with 1/2 teaspoon of spirulina powder mixed into 8 ounces of water, gradually increasing to 1 teaspoon as you adjust to the taste. Best consumed 30 minutes before meals or physical activity for optimal muscle support. Component number 5. Ginger extract. The circulation and endurance booster earning the 5th position. Ginger extract offers seniors a concentrated dose of muscle-preserving power that goes far beyond settling an upset stomach. The bioactive compounds in ginger, particularly gingerols and showgales, act as natural anti-inflammatories while dramatically improving circulation to working muscles. A 2019 clinical study demonstrated that seniors taking concentrated ginger extract experienced significantly improved muscle endurance and reduced joint pain, allowing them to maintain activity levels that would otherwise decline with age. This matters enormously because inflammation doesn't just weaken muscle fibers. It drains energy, leaving many older adults fatigued before their day even begins. Ginger's power lies in its multi-targeted approach. It improves circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach muscle tissue efficiently. It calms inflamed tissues that would otherwise interfere with muscle function. And it enhances digestive health, ensuring your body can extract and utilize the proteins and minerals essential for muscle maintenance. Unlike painkillers that merely mask symptoms, ginger targets root causes. It reduces oxidative stress, improves nutrient delivery, and supports the cellular processes that keep muscles strong and responsive. Preparation. Use either ginger extract drops, follow package directions, fresh ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon in warm water, or concentrated ginger tea bags. Most effective when consumed before physical activity or with meals containing protein. Component number 4. Turmeric and black pepper mix. The inflammation fighter reaching the 4th position. Turmeric combined with black pepper creates one of the most potent anti-aging combinations you can add to water. While most people think of turmeric as just a curry spice, when properly combined with black pepper, it becomes a therapeutic weapon against the inflammation that silently destroys muscle tissue. The golden compound curcumin in turmeric is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories. But here's the catch. Most of it passes through your body without being absorbed. Black pepper changes everything. Its active compound, piperine, boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, transforming a kitchen spice into medical-grade therapy. For seniors over 60, chronic inflammation silently eats away at muscle fibers, making even basic tasks exhausting. A 2017 clinical study showed that older adults consuming curcumin daily not only reported less joint pain, but also demonstrated improvements in muscle endurance and strength. The mechanism is powerful. Curcumin reduces oxidative stress and supports mitochondria, the tiny energy factories in muscle cells that power movement. Black pepper ensures these compounds stay in circulation long enough to reach muscle tissue and create lasting change. Preparation. Mix 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper in warm water. Can be consumed as a tea or mixed in room temperature water. The combination is most effective when consumed with a small amount of healthy fat, like coconut oil. Component number 3. Fenugreek seeds soaked overnight. The ancient strength restore. Moving to our third position. Fenugreek seeds soaked overnight transform from simple spice shelf ingredients in a powerful muscle-preserving medicine. These tiny golden kernels become a concentrated source of compounds that combat age-related muscle decline through multiple pathways. When soaked overnight, fenugreek releases galactomanins and compounds like diastegenin, bioactive agents that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the chronic inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown. This means better nutrient delivery to your muscles, steadier blood sugar levels, and reduced oxidative stress that directly protects muscle fibers from deterioration. A 2016 clinical trial published in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine found that fenugreek supplementation improved strength gains in older adults when combined with basic resistance activities. Participants showed measurable increases in both upper and lower body performance, remarkable for something that costs pennies per serving. The science makes sense. Fenugreek is rich in iron and magnesium, two minerals that 70% of seniors lack but desperately need for cellular energy production. Without adequate iron, your muscles can't properly utilize oxygen. Without magnesium, muscle contractions become weak and irregular. Simple preparation. Soak 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. Strain and drink the infused water first thing in the morning. The seeds can be eaten or discarded. The power is in the water they've infused with their muscle-supporting compounds. Component number 2. Morina powder. The complete amino acid powerhouse, taking the second position. Morina powder deserves serious attention from anyone over 60 concerned about muscle preservation. Called the miracle tree in villages across South Asia and Africa, Morina delivers something most seniors desperately lack: complete amino acid profiles in an easily absorbed form. Packed with calcium, potassium, iron, and all 9 essential amino acids, Morina powder provides the exact raw materials your muscles crave, but often can't get from typical senior diets. Research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that older women adding Morina leaf powder to their diet saw measurable improvements in bone density and energy levels within just 12 weeks. What makes Morina unique is its dual action. It fuels protein synthesis while flooding your body with antioxidants that fight the oxidative stress directly linked to sarcopenia. Unlike expensive protein powders that can cause digestive upset, Morina is light, plant-based, and gentle on aging stomachs. The mineral profile is particularly impressive for seniors. Moringa's rich iron content improves oxygen delivery to working muscles, while its magnesium content helps prevent the muscle cramps and weakness that plague many older adults. The calcium supports not just bones, but also proper muscle contraction. Usage: mix 1 teaspoon of Morina powder into 8 ounces of water. Best taken in the morning for sustained energy throughout the day. The taste is mild and earthy, easily masked with a squeeze of lemon if desired. Component number 1. Aloe vera juice. The overnight muscle repair agent claiming our top position, aloe vera juice represents one of the most underappreciated muscle preservation tools available to seniors. While most people only think of aloe for skin healing, traditional medicine in Japan and India has used it as an internal healing drink for centuries, and modern science confirms its powerful anti-aging properties. Packed with antioxidants including vitamins A, C, and E, plus specialized plant compounds called polysaccharides, aloe vera juice helps calm the chronic inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown in aging adults. A 2019 study in phytotherapy research showed aloe supplementation reduced oxidative stress markers in older adults, an effect directly linked to improved energy and mobility. What makes aloe vera juice particularly valuable for seniors is its gentle nature and multiple benefits. Unlike sugary fruit juices that spike blood sugar, aloe hydrates deeply without metabolic stress, crucial for seniors managing diabetes or prediabetes. It also supports digestive health, helping your gut absorb more protein, calcium, and magnesium from meals. The timing advantage cannot be overlooked. Because aloe is so gentle on the stomach, it can be consumed before sleep, working quietly overnight to repair cellular damage and reduce inflammation while you rest. This nocturnal repair process is when your muscles do their most important maintenance work. Usage: mix 2 to 4 ounces of pure aloe vera juice. Make sure it's inner leaf gel, not whole leaf, with 4 to 6 ounces of water. Best consumed 30 minutes before bedtime for optimal overnight muscle repair. Your muscle-saving action plan: these 8 additions aren't just supplements you can add to water. They're tools that can mean the difference between steady decline and sustained strength after 60. Each one targets different aspects of muscle preservation, from cellular energy production to inflammation control to circulation enhancement. Start strategically based on your biggest concern. If you're experiencing fatigue and general weakness, begin with aloe vera juice for its comprehensive cellular support. If inflammation and joint stiffness are your primary issues, start with the turmeric and black pepper combination. For overall muscle support and protein needs, morina powder provides the most comprehensive nutrition. The power of combination. While each addition is effective alone, combining 2 to 3 of these creates synergistic effects. Aloe vera with ginger extract enhances repair and circulation simultaneously. Morina with chia seeds provides both immediate and sustained amino acid delivery. Turmeric with spirulina offers comprehensive anti-inflammatory and protein support. Implementation timeline. Start with 1 addition for the first week, monitoring how you feel. Add a second in week 2, and consider a third by week 3. This gradual approach allows you to identify which additions provide the most noticeable benefits while avoiding any digestive adjustment period. The truth about muscle preservation after 60 is this: sarcopenia steals strength every single day you do nothing. But if you act, if you start transforming your daily water intake into muscle medicine, you can fight back. You can wake up tomorrow with better circulation, reduced inflammation, and muscles that are being actively supported rather than neglected. Which of these muscle-saving additions will you try first? Drop it in the comments below. Your choice might inspire another senior to take action for their strength and independence. We're thrilled to share this valuable content with you. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your experiences in the comments. We read and respond to each one personally. Wishing you good health, and see you in the next video.